You bake banana oatmeal cupcakes. Cup oatmeal. So, ilagay natin sa kitchen utensil machine, guys. And to make it oat milk powder. Parang madali siya, hindi siya medyo malaki ng size niya. So, ito na siya, guys. Ang gawin natin. Ito napaka-healthy and easy. And then this is it. Is done. So, mag-addition na lang tayong 1/2 cup na water. Of course, 2 banana. Cut into the bite, guys, para mapasok doon sa machine natin. Then, gumamit tayo ng 1 teaspoon vanilla powder. And this is, i-mix muna natin para ma-mix yung banana natin and oat milk powder. Water na, guys, may na-additional ng 1/2 cup na water. And then, we're going to make this one. I add 2 eggs, guys. Napakasarap ito, guys. It's yummy. So, can eat in breakfast. No sugar, guys. And healthy pa kasi oat milk ginamit natin. So, na-add na natin 2 egg. Continue to mix all this together until it become mixture. And ang texture sa mixture, medyo maano siya, medyo fluffy. So, nag-additional akong raisin kung mayroon available kayo sa bahay. So, this is it is done. So, ilagay lang natin ito sa glass bowl. And then, mag-mix tayong kaunting raisin. At mayroon din ako na almond nuts. Nasa sa inyo pag may available kayo ng raisin o almond nuts. Pag wala, pwede na rin diyang wala siyang halo. Pero sa akin, mayroon naman akong available sa bahay. Hinaluan ko siya. So, halo lang natin kaunti yung mixture para mahalo yung raisin at saka yung almond nuts. So, I have a baking form with baking sheet. So, ilagay lang natin sa bawat form, lagyan natin siya ng mixture. It almost 1/2 cup ang bawat mixture nito. Bawat cupcake, guys. So, this is it. Ito ang masarap. Itong kinain naming breakfast, lahat nagustuhan. At ang taste niya, hindi nag-taste ng sugar, kundi yung nag-taste niya yung banana, guys, na ginamit natin. At ito yung kinain ko ng breakfast. So, this is it, guys. And next, we are going to do bake in 200 temperature with 30 minutes. Nag-additional lang akong nuts sa taas, guys. Kung mayroon kayong available, pwede yung gawin. Pwede kayong cinnamon powder kung may available. But nasa sa inyo na yan. Pero sa akin, nilagyan ko siya ng nuts sa ibabaw for extra yummy and delicious. So, this is na, guys. Nakaibig na natin siya para makain na natin. Now that is done. Baked banana oat milk cupcake. This is it. It's napaka-yummy and smooth siya dahil malambot ang resulta natin. That is for breakfast. It, guys. Tikpan na natin yung baked banana oat milk cupcake, guys. Ito na siya, guys. Napaka-lambot siya, guys. Yummy.